फर्स्ट विजन वेलकम्स यू टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ सिविल सर्विसेज। फर्स्ट विजन सिविल सेवा की दुनिया में आपका स्वागत करता है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस 2019 यूपीएससी preliminary examination of general studies paper 1. First vision has divided the question paper in different parts, and in these parts we have taken the question asked from geography. Total 7 questions came from this part, and we can say that one question was from world geography, 4 questions were from Indian geography, 2 questions were from physical geography. So the questions are: question number one. In question number one, we have to tell what happens on 21st June with sun. So the correct answer is option A. Sun does not set below the horizon of Arctic Circle because on 21st June the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. The rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. Question number two. Why are dewdrops not formed on our cloudy nights? The correct answer is option B. Cloud reflects back the Earth's radiation. Because the favorable weather element for the formation of dewdrops includes clear skies, light winds, decent soil moisture, and clear skies allow the maximum release of long wave radiation to space, whereas cloudy skies reflect back the Earth's radiation. Question number three. Consider the following pairs. Here we have to make famous place with rivers. First, Pandharpur with Chandrabhaga. This is correctly matched because Chandrabhaga River, also known as Bhima River, it flows through the Pandharpur town in Solapur district of Maharashtra. Option 2, Tiruchirappalli with Kaveri. This is also correctly matched because Tiruchirappalli is situated on the bank of river Kaveri, and it is the fourth longest city on the Tamil Nadu. Option number 3, Hampi with Malaprabha. This is wrongly matched because during 14th century, Hampi was the capital of the greatest empire of medieval India known as Vijayanagara Empire. And Hampi lies in the state of Karnataka through the Tungabhadra river. Which of the given pair is or above are correctly matched? So the correct answer is option A, 1 and 2 only. Question number 4. Consider the following pair: glaciers with river. Option A, Bandarbanch Glacier with Yamuna River. This is correctly matched. Option B, Barasigiri Glacier with Chenab River. This is also correctly matched. Option 3, Milam Glacier with Mandakini River. This is wrongly matched because Mandakini River originates from the melting snow of Charabari Glacier about 1 kilometer above Kedarnath Temple, and Sarda or Saryu River originates from Milam Glacier in the Nepal Himalayas. Option 4, Siachen Glacier with Nubra River. This is correctly matched because Siachen Glacier lies in the Karakoram range of Union Territory of Ladakh, and Nubra River originates from Siachen Glacier. Recently, we have heard about Galwan Valley incident, and Galwan River also originates from the eastern side of Karakoram range. Which of the following pair given above are correctly matched? So the right answer is option A, 1, 2, and 4 only. Question number 5. Which is common to the place known as Aliar, Ishapur, and Kangsabati? All the three are water reservoirs, so the correct answer is option D, water reservoirs. And Aliar water reservoir is in Tamil Nadu, Ishapur water reservoir is in Maharashtra, Kangsabati water reservoir is in West Bengal. Question number 6. Consider the following statements about particularly vulnerable tribal groups in India. PVTGs. PVTGs resides in 18 states and 1 union territory. This statement is right because PVTGs resides in 18 states and the one union territory is the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Statement 2. A stagnant or declining population is one of the criteria for determining PVTG's status. This statement is also right. Statement number 3. There are 92 PVTGs officially notified in the country so far. This statement is wrong because 75 tribal groups have been categorized by Ministry of Home Affairs as particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Statement 4. Irular and Konda Reddy tribes are included in the list of PVTGs. This statement is also right, and Konda Reddy tribes resides in Andhra Pradesh including Telangana. Irular tribe resides in Tamil Nadu. Which of the statement given above are correct? So the correct answer is option C, 1, 2 and 4 only. Question number 7. Consider the following pairs: sea with bordering countries. Option 1, Adriatic Sea with Albania. This is right. Second, Black Sea with Croatia. This is wrong. Third, Caspian Sea with Kazakhstan. This is right. Fourth, Mediterranean Sea with Morocco. This is right. Fifth, Red Sea with Syria. This is wrong. Which of the following pair given above are correctly matched? So the right answer is option B, 1, 3 and 4 only. Here in the map we can see that Adriatic Sea and its bordering countries. They were Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Montenegro, Albania, etc. And we can also see that Black Sea and its bordering countries. And here we can see Caspian Sea and its bordering countries. And here we can see Mediterranean Sea and its bordering countries. And also we can see that Red Sea and its bordering countries. So these are the questions asked from Geography on UPSC 2019's preliminary examination of General Studies paper 1. And First Vision has already uploaded the question asked from History of India, Art and Culture and Indian national movements and Indian polity and international relations. The link of both videos were given below on the description. You can go through it. So in the next part of the UPSC 2019 preliminary examination analysis, we will take questions asked from science and technology. Please do like, share and subscribe First Vision YouTube channel so that you will not miss the video of questions from science and technology and you can get regular update of the videos.